Presenting the 2015 Toyota Camry XLE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, roof, power sunroof, front-wheel drive, seat heated driver, power driver seat, power passenger seat, audio satellite radio, MP3 sound system, wheels chrome and telephone hands-free wireless connection. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.